Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple has packed some exciting upgrades this year, from its display and cameras, all the way to performance and battery life. So let's go step by step and see what makes this phone special. Let's start with the display. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will come with 6.9-inch screen. Apple has also added anti-reflected glass, which means you can use your phone easily outdoors under sunlight without those annoying glares. When it comes to design, the phone has a premium aluminium frame, giving it a strong but lightweight build. It feels solid in the hand and has that classy Apple look. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is powered by Apple's most advanced processor, the A19 Pro chip. This chip takes performance to the next level. Apps open instantly, gaming feels smoother, and multitasking is effortless. Apple is going to introduce vapor chamber cooling. This technology keeps the phone's temperature under control during heavy gaming sessions or while recording 4K videos. No more overheating issues. Now let's talk about one of the biggest highlights, the cameras. On the back, the iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with a triple 48-megapixel camera setup. This means you get sharper photos, better low-light performance, and more detail in every shot. Whether it's landscapes, portraits, or night photography, this camera setup is built to impress. For video creators, this phone is a powerhouse. Expect smoother 4K and even 8K recording with advanced stabilization, making it perfect for vloggers and content creators. On the front, there's a 24-megapixel selfie camera. Apple has finally given the front camera a big upgrade, so your selfies will look sharper and more natural. Even video calls will look crystal clear. Apple has Crystal Premium Aluminium Pro Max. Performance and cameras are nothing without good battery life. According to the leaks, the phone will come with 5,000 mAh battery. And when you do need to charge, it supports 35-watt fast charging. That means less waiting around and more time using your phone. This year, Apple is also giving us more color options. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will come in 5 different colors: classic black, elegant silver, sleek gray, bold dark blue, and a brand new orange option, which really stands out. So that's the iPhone 17 Pro Max, a big and bright display, premium design, super powerful A19 Pro chip, improved cooling, upgraded cameras, a huge battery, and new color options. Apple has clearly designed this phone for people who want performance, style, and long-lasting battery life all in one device. Now the question is, do you think these upgrades are worth it? Would you buy the iPhone 17 Pro Max or stick with your current iPhone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.